Good morning, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to complete your assignments in SeeSaw. Once you log into ClassLink, you're going to navigate to the bottom of the screen and you're going to click on this icon, which reminds me of a colorful butterfly. And when you hover over it, you should see the word SeeSaw pop up. So we're going to click on SeeSaw. And then at the top left side of your screen, you should see your name where it says Deshonta Jones on my screen, and you need to click your name. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list until you see MJ for Miss Jones' third grade class. Click on it, and then your assignments will pop up or your activities. Now for math, you are required to show your work and or record how you solve the problem. So for example, we have MBT2 subtracting exit ticket. The direction says use the pencil to show your work and complete each problem. Guys, you must show your work. If you do not show your work and you only give me an answer, I will return it back to you. So to complete this assignment, we click on the green rectangle with the plus sign in the circle that says Add Response. I'm going to click on a sample student, but you will find your name in the list and click on your name. For your screen, you may not have the names. I have the names because I'm the teacher. So once I click on the assignment to complete it, it comes up in a screen like this. On the left-hand side of the screen, I can add text boxes. I can record myself with the microphone. I can take a picture of myself. The three dots give me more options for shapes, backgrounds, and so forth, but you don't need all of those today. If you're not sure what to do, you can always view the instructions at the top. And it says to use the pencil to show your work and complete each problem. So here's my pencil right here. And I'm also noticing that I have 5 problems to do. So you can't just do one and then hit the green check and turn it in. You must do all 5. So I am going to look at my problem and I'm subtracting, so I can use any strategy I have learned to subtract with. So we recently worked on using our base 10 models, and I know when I'm subtracting that I will show the model the first number, but not the second number. So I'm going to model 305 with my base 10 models. Now I'm going to look at my second number, and I notice that there are 2 ones in the second number. So I have enough ones to subtract. But before I get started, I notice there are 7 tens, but there are 0 tens in my first number. So that means I am going to have to regroup one of these hundreds. So I'm going to cross it out and add 10 sticks because 10 tens equal 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can subtract 172 from 305. So I want to switch over to a marker so that my teacher can see my work. I can change the color over here. And so now I'm going to subtract 305 minus 172. So I can mark out 2 1s. I can mark out 7 10s, which leaves me 3 10s. And I have 2 hundreds, so I can mark out one of them. So my answer is 130 and 3 ones. So my answer is 133. Let me show one more just in case you need another example. So with this one, we're subtracting 459 minus 246. So I am going to model the first number, 400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sticks for 50, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Now, I notice I have 6 ones in 246, so I can subtract the 6 ones. So I'm going to change my color so that my teacher can see my work. So I'm going to mark out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That leaves me with 3 ones. I have 4 10s, so I'm going to mark out 4 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves me 1 10. I have 2 hundreds, so I'm going to mark out 2 hundreds, and that leaves me with 200. So my answer is 213. So when you're completing your assignments in SeeSaw, I must see your work when you are doing your math assignments. When you're done, you'll hit the green check. Because I'm using the sample student, I did not want to turn that in. Now, let's look at a reading assignment. Anytime you get started in SeeSaw, you must read the directions first. So for example, character traits versus feelings. Please start by watching a quick video on the difference between a character's trait and their feelings. Select the Add option. Select the Label option to begin sorting each word or idea. Sort each word or idea under the correct category. Select Submit when you are finished. So we click the green rectangle. And so all of the words are down here at the bottom. So it told me to view the video. So I can click the video and view the video. Once I'm done watching the video, I can go back to SeeSaw and I can start to move the words by dragging them to the right side. And so I do that until I'm finished. And then please make sure you go back to SeeSaw and complete all of your assignments correctly. When you are done completing your assignments, you may resubmit them to me for a better grade.